Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to pay for a DoorDash order using PayPal. First of all, launch the DoorDash app open on your phone, or you may also go to DoorDash.com on your browser and log into your account, whichever way. Now, go ahead and add an item to your cart, browse to your favorite restaurant and add the food item that you want to order. After adding the food item in the cart, tap on the View Cart button which should appear at the bottom. You will then be able to see all of the food items that you've added to the cart. Click on the Continue button at the bottom of the screen to go ahead and check out and start the payment process. From the Select Payment Method option, choose PayPal. You will then be redirected to the PayPal login page. Type down your email address or phone number for your PayPal account and tap on Next. On the next page, type down your one-time code or your password and click on Login. After you are signed into your PayPal account, choose your preferred funding source in PayPal and then confirm. After confirming PayPal as your payment, you can then return to DoorDash and finalize your order by tapping Place Order. And that's it. Your DoorDash order will be paid securely through PayPal, giving you a smooth and convenient checkout experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.